Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio G-Shock GA-100 module 5081. This is going to work for a bunch of other Casio G-Shock watches as well. As you can see here, when it comes to the digital display, we have 1 p.m. So I want to see 13. What you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 4 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. After that, you will be able to change the home city. We are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. The second one is the DST. I'm going to go past that, and here we have 12-hour display. If I want to switch to 24-hour display, I'm going to press the forward button once. Now, as you can see, we have 24 hours here, and now we have 13 instead of 1 p.m. If I want to switch back to 12-hour display, I'm going to press it once again and once again in order to switch back to the 24-hour display. In case that is all that you wanted to do, press the adjust button and you are done. You have successfully changed to military time. So now we have the 24-hour display. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. In case you found value, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. I'm also going to have a full guide on this particular model, so all the functions and features on this Casio GA-100, link in the description box below. Subscribe guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.